Are you wondering how to add a product to a collection on Shopify? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. Now, first and foremost, so I've got my store open here, you want to go to your admin interface. So once you've done that, you want to, first and foremost, you want to create your collection, or make sure that you have a collection ready. So click the products button on the left hand side and then click collections. Now, I don't have any created at the moment, so I'm quickly just going to do this for you now. So let's call this, we are going to do a Cyber Monday sale and collection, if you like, or products that are going to be part of Cyber Monday. So we're going to call it Cyber Monday, the collection, and I'm just going to put here products to be sold. No, actually, I'll just put Cyber Monday product promo. Let's call it that. That makes sense. Now, what you need to do is so you've got an option to change the theme template. We're not going to do that. You could put a collection image. So you obviously run through the form. We have that all set up. Now, what we want to do, and this is the important section if you're wanting to add products to a collection. So I'm going to save this first, just so, okay, so it's not going to let me. And that's, that's because this is so important. So let's say we want to add products to this Cyber Monday collection. So every product is going to be part of this collection, part of Cyber Monday. So we want to basically specify a tag. I'm going to call it Cyber Monday, but you might want to call it something else depending on your store and depending on what you're selling. But I'm going to call it Cyber Monday for the context of this demo. So I'm going to hit save, and that should let me save the collection. Here we go. So this is a message saying we're all good. So if I go back into collections, we should see it here. Excellent. Now, in order to add the product to this collection, we need to go into, so if I click products again, it's going to bring my test product. So if I open up this product, what we need to do here is we need to scroll down and you'll see a section called tags on the right hand side. So it says find or create tags. Now, because this is a new collection, I haven't set up the tag before, so you might need to do this. So in my in this demo, I'm using Cyber Monday. So what I want to do is type that in here. I did a Control-C, Control-V, just if you wonder how I did that so quickly. And I'm going to press add. So make sure the tag is set up. That tag is so important, and make sure it's obviously exact. Have that tag in place and hit save. Now, you'll see the product has been saved with this tag. Now, if we go back into the collections, and we're going to go onto Cyber Monday, and you can see the product conditions here. If we go back in here, you will see that our test product is now part of this collection. Excellent. The product has been added to the collection. But before we finish this video, I'm just going to show you one other thing that you might want to do. So if I click online store and I'm going to click navigation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now add this collection to my menu to show you what it all looks like. So this is my main menu. So at the top, the header menu, click add menu item. I'm going to call this Cyber Monday Sale. Now in the link, left click here, we want to add collections and we want to set up Cyber Monday. Obviously you could do this with your own collections, it's just an example. But if I hit add, and we're going to have that, yeah, let's just get rid of it. No, we'll leave the catalog there for now. But hit save menu. Now if we go into our store, at the top you'll see we've got a new link for Cyber Monday Sale. And if we click this, we get the product, which is now part of the collection. And at the top, we've got that text that I talked about earlier. So you could also add that if you wanted to. So that's how to add a product to a collection on Shopify. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this. And do drop a comment down below if you have any questions. You can also consider subscribing to my channel. I've got a lot of videos on Shopify and I'm going to publish a lot more as well. And it's not just Shopify. I'm going to be publishing how-to tutorials on all sorts of different online platforms to help you run your online business. So with that said, I hope you have an excellent day.